the cabinet. Ah! Ah!
Once upon a time, 4 Vault Hunters changed Pandora forever.
How did Freckles suck? How's your day been, buddy? We haven't really talked much since I left you for Dad. Hey, you'll freeze to death out there? Yeah, probably not. Bandits will get you first. My day? Been pretty good. Just bought it.
Hijack the train that runs through the dust. If all goes well, we should get to Sanctuary in a day.
Thermal hot, baby! Woohoo! You made the right decision, minion!
Rising!
Lower her into the water, you salty dog! And now, let us set sail!
Enjoy, see you soon!
You got an extra fatal! I wanna hear you scream!
A Vault Hunter?
Can't wait to kick Hyperion's fat asses off there.
Hey, soldier. If you're hearing this, I'm in trouble. I wanna hear you scream! It's a baptism of blood!
Stuff. No idea why. Now, let's talk about rescuing my boyfriend.
Well, ex-boyfriend. Before the Bloodshots grabbed him, Roland was getting intel on the vault and what Jack plans to do with it.
Thanks. Meet me back at Sanctuary. I got a plan to stop Jack, but it won't work without you.
I'm rising!
Bullymon's still rubbish, but I'll come up with something better before I launch the almanac, I'm certain.
Irresistible. You will lure them out with this pizza, then murder them.
You remind me of my last Thank you, Lady Jack. Real charm at first.
Crystal of red! It's striking time!
A new power core? Whoa, that looks like it could keep our shields up for months. Years, even.
We are not friends anymore, are we?
Fall on. Oh!
The city may be safe right now, but what happened? Oh, good. Right. Sorry. We'd all be dead if it weren't for you. But we need a plan.
This is you. I can't. Minion, give me 5. Oh, right. You've earned it.
Great. Claptrap can get us through the Angel's security field now. Come on back. We may have a way past.
Damn.
Yeah.
Remember that time?
Take this note to 1000. You're going to deliver that note to a bandit leader known as the Slab King. Now he...
Hey! Moxie said anything about me?
I found this when I was out in the Borderlands. You want it? If you see me in town later, hit me up. I might have something else for you.
Have backs!
In the face! Do it! Wasn't my face! Shoot me in the bullet! Shoot me in the face! In the... I need to drown in your blood! Rolling.
Brick. This is it, everybody.
Paul Hunter, all we got left. Jack, keep rolling. Bloodwing. It's a red shower for a big fish!
You see that building with the light shooting out of it? That's the info stockade. We're gonna get you there through the main... Any candidates today, Angel?
There are 4 treasure hunters who arrived on a shuttle several hours ago. They are currently on a bus to Firestone.
Great. Say this to them. Don't be alarmed.
I'm not! This ends now! No, I can't. I like this. Not when I'm so close.
open! You should go there. Go, go.
Explain it to me again. Do you hear that?
Like I said, instead of punching, I prefer to keep my distance from the...
That leaves you screaming.
You have performed adequately. Do not fool yourself into thinking this planet is now safe, however.
My girlfriend? That's right, let her mow you down! Newsflash, bitches! Turrets kill! Time for kill! Stop!
Got some for ya!
Time for